change, that is global warming, about 40% of the pole's ice layers will have melted away in their density. Nevertheless, also another effect will appear, namely that enormous blocks of ice will break off and float through the seas as enormous icebergs several square kilometers in. Specifically, the following points are to be mentioned for external influences, but I can only cite some of them because the spectrum is very broad. 1. Chemical agents and substances of all kinds. 2. Natural resources and substances of all kinds. 3. Food. 4. Beverages. 5. Gases. 6. Pollen of trees, flowers, bushes, grass and grains of every kind. 7. Cleaning agents of every kind. 8. Hygiene products of every kind. 9. Insects of all kinds. 10. Fruits and vegetables of all kinds. 11. Animal products of all kinds. 12. Contacts with animals or things of all kinds. These are the main factors that, depending on the case, can trigger atopic dermatitis if a person, as a result of an unstable immune system, reacts sensitively and susceptibly to one or more of their causative agents. Billy says then those were all the questions that I had today. Quetzal says then I will say goodbye. Billy says not so fast, my friend, you said that we will still discuss the matter regarding the visit with the priest. Quetzal says that is correct. Then we will now agree upon a time. The end.